Hey everyone, I hope you all are safe and doing good. So in the series of learning Python programming language, we are discussing turtle graphics. In the previous videos, we have discussed two coding exercises on turtle graphics. That was simple one, right? So one more coding exercise we will see in this video. This is a little bit more difficult than the previous ones, right? So let me just show you first what you have to generate, right? Let's see. So you have to generate, see this random walk of turtle with any random color. Like this. We don't know in which direction turtle will move. Like if I'm heading towards this direction, then I'll move first maybe this direction, or maybe in this direction, or this direction, or backward, right? Like back. So in which direction I'm going to move, I don't know. The turtle is going to move, right? That is also randomly you have to choose the direction, and as well as random colors you have to choose. But I guess the random colors concept we have implemented in previous video, in previous coding exercise. So that thing you can take from from the previous video. But now you have to figure it out how to move this turtle randomly in these directions. North, like east, west, north, south. In which direction? We don't know. So randomly you have to choose. Okay? Just a simple concept you have to apply. That's it. So pause the video, think and try this out. So I hope you have done this. Let's create in this turtle project a new file, random walk underscore turtle.py, right? And the previous was turtle shapes we have drawn. So see, we have implemented the color concept. We have taken a list of colors and randomly the color would be chosen, the pen color, right? So this concept will take from this video, right? Okay. First, obviously from turtle we have to import, because we are going to what we can say, create an object of this turtle class. So let's take tom is equal to turtle, and obviously you have to import random module as well. Import random, right? Fine. Now at first turtle would be in the center of that screen, right? So we don't know in which direction the turtle will move, like east, west, north or south, right? Because as I have shown you, see, this turtle is moving either east, west, north or south. It's not to any particular angle, like a 45-degree angle, 72-degree angle. I hope you have noticed in this thing, right? So angle would be either 90-degree or maybe 180-degree, right? Or maybe 270-degree or 360-degree, something like this, right? It's not like in between of these 45, 72 or 20-degree or like this, right? Okay. So for that, to implement this thing, we have actually, many ways, but I'm going to tell you here two ways, right? We can generate a angle between 0 to 360. We have a function, see, if you remember, rand range function. So you just give the range 0 to 360, and we can give third argument, number of steps 90. So it will generate either 0, then number of steps is 90. So after 0, 90, after 90, 180, after that 270. So this is the perfect function method to use from random module, rand range. But you have to give the number of steps, because if you give either 0 or 360 only, then obviously it can generate anything from this range. Maybe 45-degree, 9 or 20-degree, 15-degree, 10-degree, but that we don't want. We want only these things. So just provide number of steps, 90, right? One way is this. Okay, so let's solve this first with the help of this way. So what we can do, now have to give, we have like left and right, left or right either, or just provide the angle, right? But it's not like that every time we know turtle will move to left or turtle will move to right. We don't know. So we cannot particularly set left or right position. So for that we have a method. So here in turtle motion, in these turtle method, we have a method set heading. Set heading means just have to set the head of the turtle, in which direction the turtle head is, right? So we just have to give here to the angle, right? And the angle Some common direction in degrees are 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree. That's exactly we want, right? So you can just set the heading in we just provide these things and just write down here set heading. No left and right you have to give. That's it. Or you can write down here set H also. So what we can do here, tom dot set heading, right? And in set heading, what angle you will give? It would be in this range. From 0 to 360, steps is 90, from this range. That is it, right? But obviously you have to, obviously we will write a, what we can say, for loop to move. So for like in range, how many steps first? Let's see, only 50. 50 steps I want to move. First set the heading of the turtle and then we will move. So how we will move? If the heading is in this direction, then move the turtle to this side only. So forward. So for that we have forward, and let's just move by only 10 pixels or 10 steps you can say, right? And one more thing at last, tom dot screen dot main loop to hold that screen. Okay, let's see what's happening. See, my turtle is moving, I don't know, like randomly in any direction, okay? But it's like, let's just increase the width of the turtle because it's not visible. So turtle dot width is suppose 10. Okay, now it's visible, see, right? And if you want to change the shape as well, then also you can change shape. If you want to get a feel of using actual turtle, then you can change this like turtle, right? So yeah, turtle is moving, right? But yeah, I want some color as well. By default it's black only, right? So let's take from the previous video, same list of color I'm going to take. So every time I want to change the pen color, so change the pen color to from this list, randomly choose from this list. So random dot, we have a function choice, and from what list? List name is colors, right? Okay, let's run this and see. This turtle is like choosing randomly from these colors. Okay, let's move this to 20 or let's move this to 30. Then you will get it better. See now, you can get this now, the random walk of this turtle. But one more thing, because we have taken like named colors, because we have taken only I guess 10 to 15 colors only. But how many colors we can use? I have told you there is in pen color, you can go and check. If you go to pen color, then we can just provide either color string or in RGB format also we can give. These are the colors we can give, but obviously we will not just copy paste all the colors as a list. I just want, without making the colors a particular list, without the named colors, it will choose any random color, right, according to RGB value. See, R means red, green and blue. This values 240, 248, 255. If this is the RGB value, then the color is Lice blue, like this, right? So I want just the RGB value. I want to give RGB value and color would be automatically picked. That thing I want. I don't want in my program to give particular the list of the colors and from that list only just choose random colors. No, because that is named color. I have given colors, but I want to choose my program to choose colors according to RGB value. So can you do this? Pause the video and try this out. I hope you have done this. So for that, obviously, if you will give RGB value, how we can give? Yes, we can give in pen color, in tuple, we can give any value of RGB. See, set pen color to the RGB color represented by the tuple of RGB. See, it's tuple, it's not list. And why tuple? You know, list is mutable. You can change the item of the list, modify, update the list, right? But tuple is immutable. Once set the item in the tuple, we cannot change the value. That is why, like if in your website you have set some color, so definitely we want, no one can change that thing, the RGB value. That is why we are taking tuple, because it's immutable. After setting, we cannot change the RGB value. Anyone cannot change, the user can't change the RGB value, because if you change, then it will definitely give error. You can check out. This thing we already discussed when discussing the tuple video in Python, right? But now, okay, we will give RGB value, but the range. See, in this, it's 255, 239, 219, and every RGB value is having different things. 00, 255, 00, 238 for this color, blue 1, blue 2. But the range is what? In which range we can take the RGB value? That you have to find out first, right? So for that, just go to this documentation and see. It's within this tab. You have each of RGB must be in the range 0 to color mode. Now what is this color mode? Where the color mode is either 1 or 0, 1.0 or 255. You can set color mode either, you can take it either like 1, or if you will take 0, that is also fine, or 255. These values are allowed. So how to set the color mode? Because if you use this thing in your program, then obviously you have to, this range would be from 0 to color mode. So you have to set first color mode either to 1 or to 255, right? You will not set 0, because I'll show you why. If you will set 0 color mode, then what will happen. So let's check color mode. Let's link on color mode, and it's turtle.color mode. One of the values, 10 or 255. Right? Generally we take 255. So the RGB value range can be 0 to 255. Right? You can take 0, you can take 1 also color mode. Then the RGB value would be in the range of 0 to 1. 0 to 1 means it would be in some float value, decimal value. But typically we take color mode value 255. So it would be from 0 to 255, the RGB range. Right? And that would be proper integer value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like this, right? As you see in this specification. But from 0 to 1 also you can take, like on this website we have this thing, this RGB calculator. You can calculate here RGB values according to this RGB. So you can just increase this and this will give any different color, right? See. But it is from 0 to 255 only, maximum is 255. So first let's change the color mode to, first I am taking 255, color mode to 255. So you have to change the color mode for this turtle, not for this tome, right? This thing you need to take care, right? Okay, then if you write here something like this, see if I write here tome dot color mode, see there is no color mode for the object, it's for the turtle. So turtle dot see color mode, just set it to 255 first, right? Right now, okay, fine. Now generate RGB value randomly between 0 to 255 and just take those RGB values, right? So what we will do, in this for loop only we can write down, or a different function you can also make. For R, we will choose randomly from 0 to 255. R, G, and the third one is B. RGB value would be from 0 to 255, right? Randomly any value, right? So while changing the pen color, rather than this, what we can write, tome dot pen color and simple in tuple, just write RGB, these three values, those has been generated randomly by these functions RGB, right? I hope it will work. Let's run this. See now. Okay, first let's just comment out this also. Then see, we don't have any color now, named color in our program. Still, the turtle is getting colors according to RGB value that has been generated in this program randomly, right? So this is the second way. Rather than named color, we can take this type of thing. Or if you don't want to use this rand range function, then we can make a list direction, and there we can give like 0, 90, 180, 270, these thing, and from this direction randomly we can choose the angle. So here in set heading, rather than this line, we can also use this line, set heading or set H, anything you can take. Okay, randomly choose any color from the list direction. Let's run this and see, this will also work fine, right? So this is how we can do. Or let's increase the speed of this turtle. Speed is suppose fastest. Rather than 50, let's make it 100. See. So try to do this thing with different you can say logics as well, or different way. So that's it for this video. Now I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye. Take care.